from Kisii University. Na hiyo strike yenye inaendelea mazee haileti shangwe. Ukiangalia, we've been here for far too long and the lecturers are not in class. We are not able to learn. We are not able to continue with our important activities in school because of the continuing lecturer strike. So I want to address the government. The government should address this challenge because there is nothing that can continue if the lecturers are not in school. So the government should address and ensure that they give the lecturers what rightfully belongs to the lecturers, so that we can be able to continue with our studies and we can be able to learn and improve on ourselves.
Do you feel that this?
No, definitely the strike is not okay because there are people who are suffering, who are not directly involved with matters labor and relations, such as for us the students, we are suffering. When it's now the government is supposed to pay, but we are suffering, so the strike is not okay. No, online classes is a lot of mediocrity. There is a lot of mediocrity in it. So there is nothing substantial we are learning from online classes. We need physical classes to resume so that we can be able to improve on ourselves. Yes, most definitely will affect our graduation because there's a specific period that is stipulated for us students to learn, and if the lecturers does not stop the strike on time, definitely our graduation period here at Kisii University will be forced to be delayed.
These online classes and maybe some...
Pardon? Yes. If you are being pragmatic, there are courses in which many people require physical attendance, such as engineering, medicine. Those people require to learn oftentimes, and online classes, they are not helping at all.
So the ongoing strike somehow hindering us as students from this university. We are not feeling good. We are being injured, tortured. Actually, it's not fine. Me actually, we are coming to classes, we use fare. When you get to the class, you find yourself like you are there. Nobody's there to coach you, and that's all of it.
Maurice Pogato from Kisii University, a continuing student. I need to address this issue from as a one voice from Kisii University. I think the online strike is bringing a lot of problems to us. For example, we have those students who are living far away from the school, whereby maybe they are able to accommodate themselves, maybe by paying the rent and maybe considering so many factors according to our backgrounds from home. So you see that it can happen at some point you are misled by maybe the class rep that you have a class maybe from one. It can even force a student to pick a motorbike which need him to use a transport fare. So on the process, you can come back, you can come to school, and again you can find that maybe the class has gone through. So it is our humble request that we need to address the government needs to act positively to do the issue of the online strike. At least our lecturers to consume back to our classes and going to boost even our creativity, and it is going to help us to grow well. Again, it is going to boost our knowledge the way we had expected when we were working hard and smart from high school. Thank you.
My name is Natalie, in Omogomo.
We are supposed to be studying on normal occasions, and apparently we are not studying because of the strike that is going on, and it's really affecting most of us because some of us were given food from home. The food has ended. there's no teaching taking place. We are not doing anything. And it's really affecting us. The money we are given from home, the money is over. And parents are asking us to go back home. Some of us don't even have the data to go back home. Yeah, so we are kindly urging the government to pay the lecturers. Plus, we don't want to repeat one full year because there was a strike going on and we didn't get to learn some semesters. Yeah, it will affect our graduation and the year we are supposed to finish school. Yet we have some plans, we have plans for the future. So all we're asking is the government to comply and pay our able lecturers. Thank you.
I am David Kito Asama, the founder of Youth for Change initiative that is meant to ensure that the youth get opportunities in each and every area. And the youth get opportunities, the youth get better education, the youth get better health care, na pia youth were transformed. So that is the Youth for Change, for addressing for people turn out to vote. That is our initiative to emphasize on the well-being of the youth.
Why do you feel that youth are turning out?
Okay, I feel for quite a very long time the youth have been saying that they don't do politics. They don't do politics, they are not interested in matters of politics and governance of the country. But I believe that one has to change. We are the pillar of this country and we are supposed to be there when making critical decisions facing our country. And by that, the first way of doing that is by showing up and voting. And not only voting, but voting for the right leader. There have been a lot of ignorance in the field of politics. The youth have been ignoring politics for our country for far too long, and that has to stop. We are supposed to be the decision makers, and if we make a decision, we're supposed to live by that decision. So there is no point of us not voting and coming again to Kuandamana. We will protest. We will not protest again, but we are going to do the ballot and vote for the right leaders, and there will be no need for protest again.
Hizo classes since like hadi nasumbuka like kukaa kwa daa kwa kesha like nakuinao juu kuna food like class ilikuwa inaniokolea at least naenda kitu kasa saa 2 hivi daru ikirudi narudi jioni hapa hivyo like at least nimesikia hivi hiyo lunch time like mean affect sana so like so nahangaika hakuna hustle vitu kama hizo at least nikuja hapa hivi shule hii haya so like sawa nahangaika hapa hivi like at least nifike shule at least ndio wewe at least yote ndisonge sababu nilikuwa nimezoeanga like nikienda shule like kaa iko class ya 9 hadi hapo hivyo 10 at least itakuwa imeniboost ikiingia wifi hapo hivyo nimesikia vile lunch sababu hata sauti stock yenyewe imeisha so like nahangaika sana
Kisii Muruya. Tuanze?
Ai, usiniambia kama nimevaa kofia.
Nimevaa. Nita.
Unaona hata huku ndani
Pengine ombi lako kwa serikali.
kitu hiyo ndio yangu. Kwa mbaya kama sisi wana biashara tunaumia sana. Kwa sasa hivi tungekuwa na wanafunzi wanakuja kwa mimi ni mwanabiashara wa hoteli niko hapa na wanafunzi saizi wako tunaumia sana. Mimi kama mwanabiashara ombi langu kwa serikali ni kuwa watatue hii mgomo. Kama ni pesa wanataka, kama ni mkutu wanataka wapatiwe mkutu. Ni hivyo tu.
And the ongoing lecturer strike is really bad because it's affecting our studies. and then the semester maybe 4 months, but you see the lecturers not going into the subject, there's no progress in academics, there's nothing, stagnant everywhere, and maybe probably it is affecting each and every one of us. Definitely will if the strike continues, because we understand that the period that we have been given to learn, we are not learning, so we have to push the period further so that we can cover the syllabus and everything. So if the strike persists, then our period here and our graduating time is over.
Mimi kuna miono tofauti, lakini kama nafikiria kama mzazi, naona pia wao ni wazazi kama wazazi wenga, naona tu wako sawa, ndio wanadai haki yao, lakini kimwanafunzi pia bado naona iko sawa, lakini mafunzo yetu sio vile, lakini kuna venye tunaumia. Actually, according to the online classes, that one is not a good idea because things do happen. Actually, online classes hakuna tunapata. Hiyo ni ukweli yenye iko 100%.
First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Boris Ogato, a continuing student at Kisii University. I want to address the issue of the online strike, because at the moment you can see that there are so many interruptions of the academic calendar. So students are struggling here and there. Then it is bringing a burden of financial. It is also leading to the extension of academics. So you see, this issue of the online strike, it is bringing a lot of problems to us as students. Now it is my humble request to the government to address this issue. At least we can go back to our normal studying calendar. Thank you.
Kufuzu kwako kutakuwa kumeathirika njia yoyote?
It is going to delay so many graduation ceremonies because you see, if there is no coverage of the syllabus, we see that the graduation ceremonies will be extended, which will be lead to, it will cause a lot of problems, maybe even when we talk concerning the financial support, even the parents will be forced to give money or to support their students until they graduate. So you see, it is going to delay so many graduation ceremonies. According to me, it is even going to affect my graduation ceremony.